Do you like money?
Oh, I like money.
Agreed.
Do you like stocks?
As for me, I like the stock.
Investing in stocks can seem confusing or dumb, but don't panic and dress your dog up like a character from The Fifth Element. I'm here to help. BK is here to educate you on your investing journey. I'm a teacher and I've been investing since I was 18 years old. I used to own Marvel stock, Disney stock. I owned WWE stock when it was $9 a share before it jumped up to 90. I have over 200% returns in the last year, and I did all that without GameStop. Well, I bought GameStop after. I've actually lost money on my GameStop stock. So that return, that's my whole portfolio.
I like the stock.
On this channel, I'm going to start with $1,000. That's right, $1,000 to show you how to invest, strategies, how investing $1,000 a month can build wealth. So each month I'm going to be adding $1,000. You might be saying, well, I want to add more. I want to, get rich quick. I want to do these things. That's not what I'm here to teach you. I'm here to show you how consistent investing over time can pay off. If you invest $1,000 a month for 12 months, that's $12,000 a year. Imagine getting a 10% return on that, or a 20%, or maybe a 200%. We're talking about thousands of dollars in overtime that can really build up. If you had invested in Google $10,000 7 years ago, so if all you do is invest in Google, you would have 70 grand right now. That's good money for not doing work. This is passive income. So please subscribe to the channel, watch the videos, and I'm glad you're here. I'm BK, and here we go. We'll be using SoFi.